Welcome to Saturday Night with the Wolves on CW50 from Allstate Arena as the Wolves host the Iowa Wild. Hello there, you're probably wondering about my striking resemblance to Harrison Ford. Well, it's Star Wars night here at Allstate Arena, and we have a couple more characters down in the concourse. Shannon and Billy, how do things look around you this evening?
Well, Jason, you can call me Princess for this evening. And Jason, you're looking quite handsome, my hero. And Billy, the force is with you. You are definitely looking like a wise one.
I'll tell you in about 3 hours how wise.
Well, quickly, let's get to the Wolves. They won in Rockford last night. What are your thoughts on that win?
Strong game last night. Really came out the way they needed to. They forced the issue. They played their game. It doesn't happen very often in Rockford. It's been a tough place to win hockey games in, but they did play one of their better games of the year. Need to continue that.
Absolutely. We love winning that rivalry. Well, Jason, I'm going to send Billy back up for the call of tonight's game.
Thank you, Shannon. It is Star Wars night here at Allstate Arena. Lifesavers and youngsters. What a great combination as the Wolves and Wild get together for the third time this season. Let's send it downstairs for the opening show.
Direct your attention to the west end of the ice surface and welcome your Chicago Wolves. Please welcome number 94, the Chicago Wolves mascot, Skates. And now let's meet tonight's starting lineup. Starting on defense, number 25, Chris Butler. And number 39, Brad Hunt. On left wing, number 29, Brett Sterling. On right wing, number 9, Andrew Agazzino. At center, number 22, Ivan Barbashev. And starting in goal, number 31, Phoenix Copley. The Wolves head coach is
two red-hot teams on the ice here in Allstate Arena this evening. The Wolves have wins in 5 of the last 7, Iowa points in 5 in a row. Hello there, hockey hockey fans, alongside Obi-Wan Kenobi. I am Han Solo. Glad to be with you. The Wolves coming off a very impressive win last night over Rockford 4-1.
You keep acting like this and you will be Solo. A terrific game for the Wolves last night in Rockford. I just thought they played one of their better games. They were very good right from the first drop of the puck. Yes, they got some breaks, but you make your breaks with hard work, and they certainly did that last night. And not an easy place for the Wolves the last couple of years to play, but they were tremendous. They really skated very well, made some terrific decisions.
And they've had success this year against Iowa in this building. The first meeting, the Wolves shut out Iowa 5-0. Let's go downstairs so you can enjoy the festivities before Wayne Messmer and the national anthem.
Wolves fans, thank you for coming out to the Chicago Wolves Star Wars night. Please direct your attention to the penalty box area and welcome today's pregame costume contest winner, Chet Bussey, who is dressed as Darth Vader. Congratulations, Chet, and may the Force be with you. Joining him for the puck drop from Iowa, Pat Cannoni, and Wolves captain Chris Butler. Wolves fans, Chet Bussey. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand and join Wayne Messmer in the singing of our national anthem with colors presented by Cub Scout Pack 130.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Holy light swords. It's amazing in here. Very nice to see. Let's have a look at little starters and scratches there, presented by Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. Move better, live better. Visit IBJI.com. Brett Sterling on the left side. Andrew Agazino on the right. Ivan Barbashev in the middle. On defense, we have Chris Butler and Brad Hunt. Phoenix Copley, the not in net. Scratches tonight. Tommy Vanelli, Reed McNeil, Scooter Vaughn, Magnus PRB, Emerson Clark, and Justin Selman.
The Allstate goaltender matchup. Allstate, it's good to be in good hands. Phoenix Copley, good hands against Iowa this season. His lone shutout this year was blanking Iowa with 20 saves 2 weeks ago in a 5-0 win. Alex Dayhock has been carrying the load for the Wild here as of late. This is his 6th straight start. He has 4 wins, giving up just 8 goals against in those last 5 games. Craig Berube's team has found some resources here at Allstate Arena. They have won 5 of the last 6 on home ice, trying to keep that streak intact. And Derek Lalonde's team is wrapping up a 7-game road trip that began in this building with a loss. Since then, they've picked up points in 5 in a row. Tonight's game is, in the first period, is proudly presented by the Illinois Office of Tourism. Illinois, are you up for amazing? Visit enjoyillinois.com. So, Billy, 2 meetings in the books between these 2 teams. Both teams have won in their own rink. What do you expect tonight?
Yeah, I thought